Our Chongqing factory finished the construction starting from the lean automation and the digital transformation. In Chongqing factory, we built a very large smart warehouse which can support our peak volume every month.
So we're currently at the ②丨Chongqing Intelligent Ecological Science and Technological Park, which is one of the world's leading smart device manufacturers and innovators.
Chongqing factory is positively be a pioneer demonstration for the whole industry. It's trying to lead the industry surrounding us to promote the sustainability of the green and the ESG.
The park aims to integrate smart manufacturing, automated storage, as well as hardware R&D in order to create an efficient global supply chain and improve the quality of products.
On production line, we set up a smart production line which covers the SMT, assemble and testing and the packing procedure. All the equipment on that line has been connected into our SCADA platform, which is our IoT platform. Our engineer can easily manage the line status from the real data, and our quality engineer can also manage it and monitoring the product through the process parameter managing monitoring system.
先说拆板到我们的移载，再到我们的分板，基本上实现了无人化。
Based on the industry change and the national request for the ESG, like the carbon dioxide emission and the carbon dioxide neutrality, we try to protect our process. We try to make our product and the material more reuse, recycle, and more degradable to get the higher carbon dioxide emissions.